Hey guys, so you have a video that you don't like the sound of and you want to know how can you remove the sound completely from your videos using CapCut. You're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you how can you do that and also how can you just reduce the background noise in your videos. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Let's go ahead and open Play Store or App Store, search for CapCut and make sure we have it updated or at least have a newer version. So none of those very old versions of CapCut. After updating the app, go ahead and open it. Wait for it to fully load up. You can use an old project or tap right here to add a new video or create a new project. Choose the video that you want to remove the voice from and tap on adding the bottom right corner. Now here we go. We have our video in the video editor. I'll show you first how can you completely remove the sound from your video. Tap on the video to select it and then swipe from the bottom until you find the volume option. Go ahead and tap on it. From here you get this volume bar. You can decrease or increase it, and if you want to remove the sound completely, set it to 0. Just like that, you have no sound in your video. Now to only reduce the sound of your video, keep it selected and then keep swiping in the bottom until you reach the option that is right behind the end of these options. Right here, go ahead and tap on it. You can from here switch this on to reduce the noise you have in your video. Go ahead and tap on it, give it a try and play your video and see if you like the result. If you don't like it, you can still tap on it to switch it off. Now if you want to extract the audio from the video, tap on this extract audio option and you find the audio right under the video. Go ahead and tap on it and you can tap on the delete button to delete the extracted audio, and just like that you have again muted your video on CapCut. And that is basically it for this video, guys. If it was useful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.